Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LS. Just arrived at Jeff Benson Car Company, barely a year old, only 10,492 miles at this broadcast, at this video. All the essential features are here: remote keyless entry, push button start, satellite radio, OnStar, folding rear seats, all original. No accidents, no body work, no paint work. 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission. Backed by General Motors 3-year, 36,000-mile basic, what used to be known as the bumper-to-bumper coverage. And, of course, the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage. Non-smoker, no accidents, looks, runs, drives, feels, smells like new. Excellent car at an excellent price. Car Gurus says it's worth $18,300 and a DA says it's worth $18,500. We are asking $15,900. Thank you for looking in. Hope to see you here at Jeff Benson Car Company.